I want a slim fine woman with some twerk with off. I want a slim fine woman with some twerk with off. I want a slim fine woman with some twerk with off. I want a slim fine woman with some twerk with off. I want a slim fine woman with some twerk with off. I want a slim fine woman with some twerk with off. I want a slim fine woman with some twerk with off. I want a slim fine woman with some twerk with off. Twerk, 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 twerk with off. Twerk, 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 twerk with off. Twerk, 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 twerk with off. Twerk, 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 twerk with off. I want a slim fine woman with some twerk with off. I want a slim fine woman with some twerk with off. I want a slim fine woman with some twerk with off. I want a slim fine woman with some twerk with off. Twerk, 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 twerk with off. Twerk, 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 twerk with off. Twerk, 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 twerk with off. Twerk, 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 twerk with off. I want a slim fine woman with some twerk with off. I want a slim fine woman with some twerk with off. I want a slim fine woman with some twerk with off. I want a slim fine woman with some twerk with off. Twerk, 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 twerk with off. Twerk, 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 twerk with off. Twerk, 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 twerk with off. Twerk, 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 twerk with off. I want a slim fine woman with some twerk with off. I want a slim fine woman with some twerk with off. I want a slim fine woman with some twerk with off. I want a slim fine woman with some twerk with off.
hair, click in the description box below. Make sure you please show some love to my stylist, The Difference Is, that installed this. Make sure you follow her on Instagram at The Difference Is. Wait. Okay, I have in a 12, 14, 16 inch EULLAIR hair. I had this hair in my hair for like 3 weeks, going into a month, okay? And I'm loving it. It's soft, still got hella value to it. When I first got it, it was curly and it was real full. The bundles come, you know, with the full package deal. I got the Closur and I got into the full bang. I feel like the hair it lasts long. It don't really detangle, don't really shed, and the curls will stay. And once you wet it, it give you this natural curl, and you can brush through it. It don't give you a hard time when you're trying to brush it out while it's wet. Hair ran for like 3 weeks, going into a month. Still look fresh. Okay. Just keep pulling it and bring it back to like really, you don't need no type of oil sheen. Most definitely, I will purchase this hair. It's worth it. It lasts long. It lasts hella long. Keep it for like a year if you wanted to. So with that being said, like, comment, please subscribe to this channel. If you would like to purchase this hair, click in the description box. Loves and kisses.